Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel CAD-Tech. So in previous video you have learned a basic sketch module of SolidWorks. So today same we will learn a basic sketch part 2. So this is the basic sketch we are going to learn today. So this with the help of the circle line we can draw this sketch. Okay, so let's start. I will open the SolidWorks, go in the file. Okay, click on part and click on OK. Okay, so we'll start with the plane. Click on top plane, sketch. Okay, so we are in the top plane. Now see the sketch. Okay, first we have to draw the inner circle with the diameter of 60. Okay, so I will draw the circle with the circle command. Okay, with origin, click and drag, give dimension from here, smart dimension, click on circle and give the dimension of 60 mm. Okay, next is outer circle. Okay, outer circle is of 80 diameter. Same procedure, give dimension 80. Okay, now next is to center is there. Okay, of 140. Okay, in from middle point is 70 is there. So I will draw one circle. Okay, from to the left side. Okay, with the help of the circle command I will draw a centerly like this and give the dimension 70. One second, I will check the dimension first. The diameter of this circle is 20. Okay, 20. Fine. And the center to center dimension is 70. Okay, here you can see the 70 dimension. Now here it is, the slot is there. Okay, so we'll draw this slot with the help of the command. Here it is the command, center point straight slot. Okay, take this command and come to the center line, click on the line and center line this distance. Okay, so give the proper dimensions. So the dimension is from here to here it is 28 and the diameter of semicircle at 20, the curvature. Okay. So I will give first dimension like this. 28 is there. Okay, and this dimension is I will give 10. Okay, the radius and center distance is 70. Okay, alright, then give the relation horizontal. Okay, the all sketch are aligned, that is fully defined. Okay, so next procedure, this circle is there. Okay, this circle of 22 times our radius 20. Okay, means here it is 20 and here it is 20. Okay, so we'll give that the radius 20 with the help of circle. So draw a circle. Once again, draw circle like this and like this. Okay, give dimension, proper dimension. I will give the diameter 40 because the radius is showing is 20. Okay, go with the diameter 40. Okay, so next is this line is there. The line goes tangentially. Okay, the line is going tangentially, so we'll draw the line first. Okay, like this and give the relations. Okay, click on this line, click on this circle, give the tangential relation. Okay, same procedure, this line, this circle, give the tangential relation. Okay, this is one basic step you can use, or either you can directly give. Okay, select this circle, select this circle. Okay, see, you can see the symbol is coming tangential. Okay, give that thing. Okay, again if you want to verify, select line and circle, you can verify the tangent symbol is coming. Okay, same procedure, this circle, this circle. Okay, this circle, this circle. Okay, so here blue line is coming, which means its relation is not perfectly added, so add that relation with tangent. Okay, so next, so the extra portion of the sketch you can trim. Okay, with the help of trim command. Here it is the trim command. Just zoom the sketch. Okay, this is the extra, delete. This is also extra, delete. This is extra, delete. Here it is also extra. Okay, so see our sketch, it is same or not, you can see. Okay, everything is covered. Okay, you can see the sketch, everything is covered. Okay, and the sketch is fully defined. So this important thing in SolidWorks you should keep in mind, the sketch should be fully defined. Okay, the sketch should be all in black in color. Okay, here the basic sketch is completed. Okay, as per the drawing, as per the dimension. Okay, so hope you learn this sketch, okay, sketch module. Okay, we'll come with the next video. We'll start with the part modeling. We'll see some of the 3D models. Okay, so for that I thank you for everyone for watching my video. Please subscribe my video and press the bell icon for the further update. Thank you.